Ever wondered why data quality and consistency is crucial to businesses? Well, let's delve into it. You see, in a world increasingly driven by data, the quality and consistency of that data become the backbone of any decision-making process. It's like the difference between navigating with a clear, up-to-date map compared to a blurry, outdated one. Imagine this. You're at the helm of a business, making decisions based on data insights. You'd want to ensure the information you're using is both accurate and reliable, right? But here's the catch. If your data lacks quality or consistency, your analysis can be skewed. It's akin to trying to complete a puzzle with missing or incorrect pieces. The picture just won't be complete, or worse, it could be misleading. Now let's add another layer to this: financial implications. Poor data quality and inconsistency can lead to flawed decision-making, which in turn can result in financial losses. Think about it. If you're making strategic decisions based on inaccurate data, you're essentially gambling with the future of your business. Not an ideal scenario, is it? But it's not all doom and gloom. By ensuring data quality and consistency, businesses can increase their efficiency, make more informed decisions, and ultimately boost their bottom line. It's like having a compass that always points true north, guiding you towards success. In the realm of data science, data quality and consistency are more than just buzzwords. They are fundamental principles that underpin every analysis, every insight, and every decision. They are the guardrails that keep your business on track, preventing it from veering off into the wilderness of uncertainty. In essence, data quality and consistency are the lifeblood of any data-driven organization. Without them, businesses are like ships sailing in a foggy sea, unsure of their direction or destination. In contrast with quality and consistent data, businesses can navigate with confidence, making decisions that are not just based on a hunch, but on solid, reliable information. Without quality and consistent data, businesses might as well be navigating in the dark. Let's take a look at a real-world example that illustrates the impact of inconsistent data. Imagine a large multinational corporation we'll call Tech Titan. Tech Titan was a powerhouse in the tech industry with a diverse portfolio of products and a global customer base. But behind the scenes, they grappled with a significant issue: inconsistent data across their various departments. Tech Titan's sales, marketing, and finance departments each used different systems to store and manage data. The sales team used one system for customer relationship management, while the marketing team used another for campaign tracking, and the finance team yet another for financial reporting. There was no integration between these systems, leading to a chaotic mess of inconsistent, duplicate, and even missing data. This inconsistency had grave repercussions. For instance, the marketing team launched a costly campaign targeting a segment of customers who, unbeknownst to them, had already been reached by the sales team. The finance team, meanwhile, struggled to produce accurate financial reports due to discrepancies in sales data. The fallout was significant. Tech Titan lost millions of dollars on redundant marketing efforts and inaccurate financial forecasting. Their reputation took a hit as they failed to meet investor expectations. The company's stock price plummeted, and they found themselves in a financial crisis. In the aftermath, Tech Titan had to undertake a costly and time-consuming data integration project. They had to restructure their data management systems, implement new data governance policies, and train their staff on these changes. It was a massive undertaking that could have been avoided with proactive data consistency measures. This case study clearly illustrates the dire consequences of data inconsistency. It emphasizes the importance of maintaining data quality and consistency, not just for the sake of orderly record-keeping, but for the financial health and reputation of the company. It's a sobering reminder that without consistent data, even the most successful companies can find themselves in a world of trouble. So, how can businesses ensure data quality and consistency, you may ask? Well, there are several strategies that can be employed to maintain data quality and consistency throughout the data lifecycle. Firstly, data validation is a crucial step. This involves checking the accuracy and quality of data before it's integrated. This could mean verifying that the data is in the right format, that it's complete, or that it's within acceptable ranges. Data validation helps to prevent errors before they can infiltrate your data systems and compromise data quality. Secondly, data cleaning comes into play. This refers to the process of identifying and correcting or removing corrupt, inaccurate, or irrelevant parts of the data. Data cleaning can be a complex task, but it's absolutely necessary to ensure that your data is reliable and fit for purpose. Next, let's talk about data transformation. This is the process of converting data from one format or structure into another. Data transformation is vital in data integration because it allows data from different sources and systems to be combined seamlessly. By ensuring that all data adheres to the same format and structure, you can significantly improve data consistency. The use of data integration tools can also be a game changer. These tools are designed to automate many of the processes involved in data integration, including data validation, cleaning, and transformation. By automating these processes, you can reduce the risk of human error and improve the efficiency of your data integration efforts. Finally, let's not forget the importance of continuous monitoring and improvement. Data quality and consistency are not set-and-forget concepts. They require ongoing attention and effort. By regularly monitoring your data and making necessary adjustments, you can ensure that your data remains high quality and consistent over time. Implementing these strategies can significantly improve data quality and consistency, leading to more accurate and reliable analysis. Remember, maintaining data quality and consistency is not just about avoiding problems, it's about unlocking the full potential of your data. Now, let's consider a success story where a company significantly improved its data quality and consistency. Imagine a large international corporation, let's call it Global Tech, that was struggling with a lack of standardization across its numerous databases. With diverse offices around the world, each operating on their own software and hardware systems, their data was inconsistent, leading to unreliable analysis and decision-making. Global Tech decided to tackle this issue head-on. They started by establishing a cross-functional team to oversee the process. This team included data scientists, IT professionals, and representatives from each department that generated or used data. They began by conducting a thorough audit of all data sources, identifying inconsistencies and assessing the overall data quality. Post the audit, the team developed a comprehensive data integration and transformation strategy. They standardized data formats across the organization and implemented robust data validation tools to ensure that only accurate and consistent data entered the system. They also set up a central data repository to store all the company's data, making it easier to maintain and monitor data quality. To ensure these measures were sustainable, Global Tech invested in training their staff on data quality best practices. They also established a data governance committee responsible for maintaining data quality standards and addressing any emerging issues promptly. The results were remarkable. The company saw a significant improvement in its data quality and consistency. This led to more reliable and precise data analysis, which in turn resulted in better decision-making. The company reported that the improved data quality had a direct positive impact on their operational efficiency and bottom line. Moreover, the success didn't stop there. Global Tech's improved data quality also boosted the morale of their data scientists. With access to high-quality, consistent data, they were able to focus more on data analysis and less on data cleaning, leading to increased job satisfaction. This case study demonstrates how businesses can turn around their data quality and consistency issues with the right strategies and tools. But strategies and tools are not enough. There's another crucial element: data governance. Data governance acts as the backbone of data quality and consistency. It's like the conductor of an orchestra, ensuring all instruments play in harmony to create a beautiful symphony of accurate, consistent, and reliable data. Imagine data governance as the set of rules and regulations that help manage and protect an organization's data assets. It's a framework designed to ensure the right people have access to the right data at the right time. But it's not just about access. It's about maintaining the integrity of data throughout its life cycle. A robust data governance framework ensures that data is accurately collected, stored, processed, and analyzed. It sets standards for data quality and monitors adherence to these standards. It plays a pivotal role in data integration and transformation, ensuring that data from various sources is consistently represented and understood. Consider a scenario where an organization has multiple databases, each with different data formats. Without proper governance, integrating these databases can lead to inconsistencies and errors like mixing apples and oranges. But with a strong governance framework, the organization can define standard data formats, making integration seamless and ensuring data consistency. Data governance also ensures reliability. It implements checks and balances to validate data, ensuring it's accurate and trustworthy. This way, decision-makers can rely on the data without second-guessing its validity. Moreover, data governance is about accountability. It identifies who is responsible for what data, ensuring that someone is always accountable for maintaining its quality and consistency. It's like assigning a gardener to each plant in a garden, ensuring they all get the right amount of water and sunlight to grow. In essence, data governance is the unsung hero in the world of data. It silently works in the background, but its impact is significant. It ensures that data, the lifeblood of any organization, is accurate, consistent, reliable, and above all, valuable. Effective data governance is key to maintaining data quality and consistency. There are numerous tools and techniques available to monitor and improve data quality and consistency. Let's delve into some of the most popular ones. Firstly, we have data profiling tools. They're like detectives, sifting through your data to find inconsistencies and errors. They analyze individual data elements, looking for patterns or anomalies that suggest a problem. For instance, if you're expecting a date format but the tool finds text, it's a red flag. Next in line are data cleansing tools. Think of them as your data's personal hygiene experts. They scrub your data clean, fixing errors, removing duplicates, and ensuring that data is consistent and conforms to the set rules. They're like a second line of defense, stepping in to rectify the errors found by the data profiling tools. Then we have data matching tools. These are the matchmakers of the data world. They identify and link related entries from different data sources. This is crucial for maintaining data quality during data integration, as it helps to prevent duplication and inconsistency. Lastly, we have data monitoring tools. These are the vigilant guardians of your data. They keep an eye on your data round the clock, checking for any changes that might affect its quality or consistency. If they spot anything suspicious, they'll alert you right away. Each of these tools offers unique benefits. Data profiling tools give you an insight into your data's health, revealing potential issues before they become serious problems. Data cleansing tools help to maintain the accuracy and consistency of your data, ensuring it's always in top shape. Data matching tools save you the time and effort of manually linking related data, while data monitoring tools provide peace of mind by continuously checking your data's quality. Remember, maintaining data quality and consistency isn't a one-time task. It's an ongoing process that requires the right tools, techniques, and a commitment to data excellence. With the right tools and techniques, businesses can ensure that their data is always accurate, consistent, and reliable. In this video, we've explored the importance of data, quality and consistency, the challenges and the solutions. We've delved into the significance of data quality and consistency, understanding how they serve as the bedrock of data integration and transformation. These elements are not just buzzwords, they are crucial to the reliability and validity of data analysis results. Without quality and consistency, we risk making decisions based on flawed or misleading information. We also examined real-world cases, showing how inconsistent data can have a negative impact, causing confusion, inefficiencies, and potentially costly mistakes. On the flip side, we've seen how successful implementation of data quality measures can lead to improved decision-making, operational efficiency, and ultimately a competitive advantage. To counter these challenges, we discussed various strategies. These include implementing rigorous data validation checks, using data profiling techniques, and maintaining a data dictionary to ensure a common understanding of data across the organization. Moreover, we've emphasized the role of data governance in maintaining data quality and consistency. A strong data governance framework helps to establish clear guidelines and responsibilities, promoting accountability and transparency in data management. Lastly, we delved into the tools and techniques that can help monitor and improve data quality and consistency. From data cleansing tools to data profiling software, these technologies play a pivotal role in ensuring that your data is reliable, accurate, and consistent. But let's not forget, maintaining data quality and consistency is not a one-time task. It's a continuous process that requires ongoing commitment, investment, and attention to detail. It's not just about having the right tools or strategies, it's also about fostering a culture that values and prioritizes data quality. Remember, quality and consistent data is the backbone of any successful data-driven decision-making process. Don't compromise on it. After all, in the world of data, quality isn't just a goal, it's a necessity.